You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Mazda CX-5. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This sporty CX-5 delivers upscale style, comfort, and versatility. From its premium interior to its excellent ride quality to its SUV capability, this compact crossover was designed to exceed expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, brake-actuated limited-slip differential, engine immobilizer. Style and versatility blend beautifully in this driver-focused CX-5 crossover. See for yourself when you take it out for a road test. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.